This is what a sick chicken looks like when she's not feeling well and she needs to drop an egg. Notice how she's squatting. The egg is not going to be fully formed. It's going to be a soft egg. But she's trying to drop it because she's not feeling well. This is not your typical egg laying moment. She's just dropping because she's sick. She keeps trying to strain, but it's too soft, so it's actually hard for her to drop it. You can see she's squatting. It's hard for them to lay it when it's too soft. There it is. And just like that, the others knew exactly what was coming. So they're going to finish their egg, they're going to eat it up. Somebody got the skin, so they're running around with it. And these are trying to finish the yolk. So that's what happens when they drop an egg. See, they're running around with the remnants of it. And these are going to finish the yolk and the protein.